Welcome back to Two Friends Diet. I'm Robin.
And I'm Heather. And this big grouchy head is my dog Duncan. But I'm pretty sure he's in the shot.
Hi, Dunk.
Oh, he lay down.
Today we're going to talk about some stocking stuff or gift ideas for people on a diet. Yay! I love stockings. Do you guys do stockings at your house?
We do. I actually hand knitted everybody's stockings last year.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I was very excited about it.
That's awesome.
What do you want to start with?
Let's start with this because when I bought,
Rob's is really excited about
I'm
this.
excited about this. It's a whisk, and I just think it's absolutely adorable. And it goes like this, so you don't have to go.
My arm gets tired.
Yeah.
Like,
especially when I'm like trying to whisk my eggs all together. I'm like,
right. Or and then like if I try to whisk with the other arm because I like things to be
Doesn't
even.
look right.
My left hand isn't capable.
No, but this looks fun. And so I saw this online, and I actually saw another YouTuber talking about this, and I fell in love. So I'm like really excited, and I think this would be a great stocking stuffer.
Oh yeah.
Fit right in there.
It's Newness is the brand.
So I'm really excited about that one.
I'm going to talk about the next one because I'm kind of interested in it. I love little stupid gadgets that you have to buy ridiculous batteries for. This one needs a flat watch battery that we do not have, so we can't show you. However, it is a digital spoon scale, so you can weigh stuff out, and it's like one spoon covers everything because you can do like your teaspoons and tablespoons and whatnot with the one spoon, and it tells you to shake it out, you know. So this is a kind of cool gadget, and it would fit in a stocking well. You could do it this way. Make sure you include the battery though, because it does not come with one. But it would also be great because then in your, in your silverware drawer or whatever, instead of having all of those, you just have your one little handy dandy.
And I get tired of the ones that are stuck together, so then I take them all apart. Then
I lose them.
I lose the little ones. I don't know where they go. And then they're all like scattered in my drawer, and it drives me crazy. So
yeah.
And this also, it will be, you can do like if it says like 1 tablespoon or 24 ounces or whatever. I know that's not equivalent, but whatever, you can do that. You don't have to be like running between like different types of measuring equipment.
It even says like tea leaves, if you're making hot tea, which is a great winter drink. Summer drink, who cares? You can drink hot tea whenever you want. Coffee, and you know how we feel about coffee.
We love coffee.
So yeah, it's just kind of like a very versatile kitchen gadget, and kitchen gadgets are my favorite. Like,
they're so much fun.
I love kitchen gadgets.
So much fun. Another thing, I meant to bring it, but I left it at my house, is earbuds. I love my Bose wireless earbuds. It's a little bit expensive maybe for a stocking stuffer, but it would be a nice little surprise, because usually when you pull out stuff, you don't expect anything that's expensive. Right. But I absolutely love the way the Bose earbuds fit inside the ear,
like in the
canal area.
They're painless, like you can wear them.
Yeah, they're like silicone, and they are just like perfect. I can wear them for hours and forget I actually have them in my ears. Mm-hmm. I've actually turned them off before.
And left them in.
And just realized like maybe a half hour later, like, oh duh, I still have these sitting in my ears.
That's a good idea.
So those would be an amazing gift. I would be excited.
Okay, I'm excited about this. If you have never eaten an avocado, do not judge it until you've eaten it. Yes, I know it is green. My husband has this rule, he doesn't eat anything green. He's not on the diet. So this is an avocado slicer.
Yeah.
A 3-in-1 avocado slicer. So we're gonna try it just because I'm really excited about this. So according to the pictures, because I don't really read directions, that would take too long, you slice this bad boy. Oh, this is a plastic slicer. There's not like a blade on it. Okay. Ugh. Where's my slice at? I'm scared that I'm gonna like pop avocado everywhere. Okay. Like that. Okay, so, and then you pit it. So there are these little metal things, but they're not like a blade. It's just kind of like, you have to make sound effects. If not, it doesn't work. Twist. Oh, She must have read the directions.
I-
Okay.
I buy avocados a lot.
And then you slice. It does take a little muscle.
I think it probably depends on how green the avocado is. And when I bought avocados yesterday, there were no...
Oh my gosh, though. Look at that. There's like no wasted avocado. And look.
Yeah, just push it through with your fingers, what I would do.
You have your perfectly sliced avocado. I am so excited about that, but now I can't touch anything.
That's awesome.
That was awesome. That was so... I'm not going to let her
That's
take
easy.
it home.
You know,
No.
because you always know getting that pit out is the worst.
It was so simple. And like, for me, whenever I try to cut up an avocado, usually I just spoon it out and it ends up being like a pile of... looks like it's half eaten or something. Yeah,
It looks like
So,
guacamole.
yeah, so this is nice because it's just like a solid slice, so it would be pretty on a salad or to like lay it on top
of
of
chicken,
yes,
maybe.
it would be. And to be honest, there's a higher chance of getting my kids to eat something that looks like this and not baby poop. I'm sorry,
There
kids
you
are
have
little,
it.
they see it and they associate it with
And
stuff.
there you have it. Baby food.
Right.
Another idea, always just for something quick, easy to buy, sugarless gum.
Or sugarless candy
Sugarless candy, yes.
for a stocking stuffer.
Yes. Russell Stover sugarless candy.
We've talked about those before.
You know, you could fill that stocking up and someone would be very happy. Any kind of sugarless gum. And also we have this handy little gadget. Basically it's just looks like a little spatula, and if you're following a recipe, it'll hold your phone up or your tablet and you'll be able to swipe while you're cooking and not have to worry
Kinda
about
hands-free.
lifting it up or looking down. It'll be standing up for you.
And they have different versions of them.
Yep.
So,
And I just got this one because it looked like a spatula, so it would blend in the kitchen. Really cute.
and they fold up flat. So they're great little things because as a dieter or a low carber, you spend a lot of time in your kitchen. And nowadays, I mean, I have recipe books galore. I've printed recipes off and everything. I just pull it up. Like I have myrecipe.com or something. They have like the little app, and then Pinterest. I mean, let's be serious. So most of my recipes are on my phone. And it's a great little gadget because you're not like trying to look over it because your phone's laying
Right.
flat. And if your hands are all messy, you can just kind of...
You can leave it further back and it won't get splattered or whatever's going on.
But that's a very inexpensive little thing to stuff into a stocking. That
Other ideas would be like coffees or tea.
coffees or teas. Any of the little jerky sticks that you can get at any
Oh yeah,
cash
station.
register. Anything like that. And then I would love some different variety of the water flavor packets.
Oh, that would be a really good
That
one.
would be inexpensive and a good little thing to kind of like toss in there just to kind of spice up the water drinking.
It would bulk it up too. Oh, and gift cards. Always. Starbucks. Give me a Starbucks gift card and I'm happy.
Love you for life with a
Yeah.
Starbucks gift card. And you know what? Depending on the size of your stocking, a coffee cup.
Coffee cup is a good idea.
Like I would love a coffee cup with a Starbucks gift card in it. You know, like
Sorry, any kind of gift card. Even if it's just like with a note that says like family night out or, you know, me and you a date this New Year's or something
aw,
fun.
that's
You know,
cute.
something to look forward to. Maybe a day out without the kids or something.
Does that happen?
For some people, especially if you don't
Have kids. Another great idea would be a nice notebook. Some people like to log food or take notes of like, oh, this recipe worked or this recipe, avocado. This recipe worked or this recipe didn't work. So a nice little notebook so that you could create like notes of what you want to try, what you don't want to try, or what you have tried and didn't work, so you don't remake that Pinterest fail again.
Journaling is really big right now this year. Bullet journaling. If you haven't seen anything of it, look it up. It's amazing. Especially if the person you're with or the person you're buying for is artistic, then bullet journaling might be something you want to give them a book on and a journal just for them to maybe do that. It's really creative. Plus, it kind of gets you organized.
And a lot of people are emotional eaters. So a journal is a great way for you to have an outlet for your emotions, and then maybe you can write it down instead of eat it. But if you have any stocking stuffer ideas, make sure you comment below and let us know.
Let us know, yeah.
And make sure you like us.
And subscribe.